Me pacho, me siro bibiya say that Hajj Village, is in progress. A juma na do danko akufuado. Any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia started.
It is here the NPP for any abresa crowd na busia omo as omo nya hwe ha omo ntena ho mama Mahama enwia omo project and the NPP for abs exposéd Mahama very big time on the shortcut na okoye for new Hajj Village ewa kra no. NPP I exposéd Mahama a very big time with fact, video and evidences. Aha Penyah block media message also any demo. Obe like video na da my boss subscribe button some ke beneficial connect for latest updates. Sabe chere wa adwen eda mama ewa comments. Obasoa no wa share video na ma unua so enya bi ahwe na ohu de ekos ewo Ghana aha de no kredie ene yadwuma ye ntwantro ye beka ya 2024 no during campaign time ana Mahama ebeka say Hajj Village na NPP force omu sie no omu antimi kura nsi amasa ase no omu aton
na say amete here baby Hajj Village no one ne NPP aban aton asase no
Mahama beka say me exactly on the 3rd December 2024 me a blogger that time me blogger this news ema yenyina di NPP ho fel say modi je say national cathedral mo ntimi esi mu say Hajj amankrim for so mo ntimi esi na mo kura da aban be ni ejake kan ya adwene kire NPP for pa in fact me di mo ntintimai make kan ma adwene kire NPP for say je say modi mo Christopher amatwe Christopher ni nyame edi cathedral mo ntimi esi Hajj so amasan aton asase let mo pa dey na meeting ya ma Ghana eji atwe NPP for abos Mahama can say me 3rd December ema ye the agenda. In the 2025 about 3 days ago, you know say Mahama eko PM or Greater Accra and okoye short cutting for new Hajj Village.
Commercial buildings are here. We ensure that throughout the year the facility is we have an open area here as local to be used for games and also facilitate the hotel, the restaurant.
All stakeholders and the vision of this new project, as well as yourselves for being here this fine afternoon. Be overemphasized, and the successful development of the new Hajj Village will surely provide a permanent and ultra-modern facility to our... Thank you very much, Ghana Police Central Band, and so respectfully, ladies and gentlemen, religious leaders, captains of industry, management and staff of the Ghana Airport Company Limited, distinguished agencies campus observed. Welcome to a very significant event in line with the...
يرفع إبراهيم القواعد من البيت وإسماعيل ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع.
Now, that particular shortcut for now, Mahama Ekoyeno. Look at how Ghana Web made a reportage of it on their website. Ghana Web for Commerce has got to say Mahama's move to cut sword for NPP's already progressing new Hajj Village. Just say Mahama, I imagine say NPP for already progressing. Just say project here already air cost. Project no go so air cost constructors e more air year adwuma. But Mahama say okwe sword cutting. Yes, entiase nim. It make sense. You know why entiase bi anim. Edu no mu no. Ana NPP for say there be. One can say timo ye we bone. E na enso tap on kyerɛ ne a oje wo. Ida fedie ombe kasem. It obi kyerɛ ma project no. Mahama say oye sword cutting there. Enyu mo dia. Honorable Alasa Tampoli. Ma mention bakura oye. On a member of parliament for Gushegu, hometown constituency. And now on the dual ministerial veteran, basa because of parliament house. I just say, member of parliament, Nipa says because near Sanshin Rumukakra. Now or can be. Yes, on it, honorable not on premone, honorable stable, and it, the family promo, or Munina can Nipa 6. And I say, honorable Alasa Temple, and maybe read the statement or can be. On a question in Facebook to say, or title New Hajj Village Project, Part 1. Did I hear President John Mahama is going to cut sword for a new Hajj village in Accra tomorrow? This project has been ongoing since last year and is the initiative of the former Minister for Transport, Honorable Kweku Esiama, with the Ghana Airport Company Limited and the Hajj Board as the implementing bodies. That's what you say. A chuma say Mahama Ekwa sword cutting for new Hajj be Ewa Accra and answer the any of my moment. Hajj via Mahama Zokwe. Ewo hoda da chese constructors wo homu ye adwuma na the then Minister for Transport Honorable Kweku Esiama on the Ghana Airport Company Limited and boom and omo ye this project I said taxpayers money enka ho Ghana Airport Company Limited and omo air finances adiwi omo na air funded this particular project and okotwewe na after that and a couple of videos NPP party members ni omo chirimu adabi Mahama we ye ntena ho Emma a project almost so abeke kansempa e the best exposéd Mahama.
Assalamu alaikum. Before to share President Mahama Kane 3 days to elections, that is on the 3rd of December, about Hajj Village.
So now say I'm here, baby, Hajj Village no one ne NPP are buying aton assassin.
So Kansa sent me on the 3rd of December 2024, just before election, said the fully blown response, Emma. Ayɛka say the vision of Dr. Bawumia say ye beye a permanent structure e di ama Muslim for send be ya ombenya be be say ye bia no ye kwa Hajj enti nya permanent structure boa e chenta bodan na esi ho no it is asase ne enye dia asase a airport company di ama ye but ye pe be bia be si permanent anka ye si no ho no mo kan say da bi ombenya be bia ama ye it between 2017 ya kwa 2024 ne nya asase no enti ye sanka ye be si dan no na ya din yan kate so krama obi ente enti yesi wia na ya ntese na ye kaya ye hostel no na ya kase Dr. Bawumia has been vindicated enti the vision of Dr. Bawumia no pay President Mahama say okọ akokate sword na or the fofraba na ohwe the handing over note ewom Dr. Ben Abdallah Banda edema Alhaji Collins Dauda kire say yeguso yesi a contractor ejina so we drawings no was so is ohwe soro ya obehu say drawings no ya drawings na wi ya bibi wi award contract dey Mawun's Construction Limited papa we gonjani ofri salaga oni Kalistus Mahama every the same place enti ono na guso a oye adwuma no ene mini ukase emprempre this is the level of the structure and baby edru eni it is ene President Mahama kugina ho kate soda ade ayaye ayeguso aye contractor no so a wo ye adwuma ene wo kakate ho sword na bia later na omo de abeka se wo mo ba we na omo aya bo akramofo yen set the record straight say Dr. Bawumia ene envision ade yanya asase no ye de ama contractor no guso a o ye adwuma eno nso eye Mawun's Construction o ye gunjani a free President Mahama krum ena o ye sa adwuma no enti enya de foforo enti pictures no e de yetwa gui baby a structure no akodru eni enti no krede yanka no kure se yen na ehyasie na omo toaso a eye esan se aban de toaso with that.
All right, so so this morning I've learned, and as I meant to say, the president of the land or called Kati Sword a Hajj Village for Hajj Village. Me pacho, me zero BB say that Hajj Village, is in progress. A juma na do danko akufuado. Any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia started. A war. It's a Kati Sword for what again exactly? Our Hajj Village. And I say, so yes, a juma say, or no more starts here, and I say, no, or shall see, and I said, then President John Mahama, I don't want to believe that this is true. But if it is true, then we have to set the record straight. You are either going to continue the Hajj Village and not say Uko Kati Sword, which is here. But for me, the maintenance, I won't sit in this country for you people to mislead Ghana. Okay, President John Mahama. And then yesterday, the State of the Nation address, say me brave with chantroni at the adina. Only intro the say we 1 and 2, and I say 5 and 6. Who can't throw fucking? Who say who come now? You 2016, you solved doom so. Wow. Clap for yourself. Me see. Yesterday he said something. He said, there will be no school fees for disability students. Tertiary. But this policy will be and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia policy. This policy is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's policy. And can say, you give credit to the person that brought the idea. One to me and Mr. President, you want me and but the person that has given you the person's idea that you have stolen, want to me and man credit, no? And you cry go dancing. You went on to steal Kennedy and Japan, Japan idea too, that Obama a national service for short military training, ways a NPP idea. Actually, say this country can only go forward with NPP party. Simple as ABCD. Because Ayɛka ideas now, ideas the NDC has none. They don't have ideas. They don't have innovative ideas, like attractive ideas. They don't have it. Until now, you see, say, what that we need power, NPP. That means there's no need for you people voting against NPP because they think ahead of time. No, be or promising a cocoa bunkets and getting there, and then I'm to me, money to me. And to me, I'm not surprised. But this, what I heard say the president of this land say Kati Sword for Hajj Village in Pacho. Mpesa make a chiro bibia say. Sa Hajj Village, it's in progress that. Ya started that. Nti that will be will not sit for anybody to lie to us. Without BBS.
So this is what NPP people have to say concerning the shortcut na Mahama Ekoye for the new Hajj Village na Ewo Accra. And omunsem in fact, I say omunsem no convince me kakra. Media say one am omunsem no convince me more ne say shortcutting there. And omu enkata no it should be bare land that hwi ni so. But we dey bare land. Mokwe constructed kwa wo ho adwuma dada. There are video evidences, any picture evidence as of 2024 December no. There are video evidence that a dear dance say project na wo ha constructors e wo ho adwuma. Na adena is acquire another shortcutting. Adena yes acquire another shortcutting for project where it's already ongoing. How? And we for Obetima chere me emu e wo kuma ebia na project e course obetimi asa koya another shortcut in the media. But to my little knowledge there, shortcutting is once. But obetima because okay, abandoned project may be a rebuilding. But shortcutting for a project that is ongoing, can I just say project it is not abandoned. Constructors for whom a year 24/7. Let's say Mahama Sako is shortcutting there. Well, MP for the Omontiasia. Also, with my children, I'm a ever conversation. I have Penyah Blog Media. What is your view and what is your take on that? Share video is my in your be